Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Craftsman. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy bow. It's such a quick little project and absolutely perfect for beginners. This crochet bow is more than just cute. It's a lovely hair accessory you can wear every day. You can even add it to your gift wrapping, or make a few to sell at a craft fair or craft festival. For this bow, I'm using a soft blend yarn, 50% cotton, 50% acrylic. And my hook size is 2.20 millimeters. That's a US size B. The bow we're making will measure about 7 centimeters wide, which is roughly 2 3/4 inches. To show your support, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Alright then, let's not waste any time. Let's jump right into our crochet bow. Start with a slip knot, and then chain 66. This chain will give us the base for our crochet bow. And if you'd like the written patterns, you can always find them on crochetstrends.com. Give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. And feel free to share it with your friends who love crochet too. The chain I just made measures about 23 centimeters. That's roughly 9 inches long. Starting in the second chain from your hook, work 8 half double crochets, nice and even, side by side. Next, work 6 slip stitches, one right after the other. And now, make 16 half double crochets in a row. Just keep going. Follow the same order of stitches, all the way along this row. Now work 6 slip stitches, one right after the other. And then, crochet 16 half double crochets, right in a row. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my crochet tutorials. If you'd like written patterns, you can always find them on crochetstrends.com. Next up, 6 slip stitches, one after another. Now continue working the same stitch order. Half double crochets and slip stitches, exactly as we began. Take your time here. Work all the way across the row, keeping your stitches nice and even. Because we began this row with 8 half double crochets, we'll finish the row the same way, with 8 half double crochets at the end. Keep crocheting carefully here. Just follow the same stitch sequence until you reach the end. Be careful here. The 8th half double crochet must go right into that very first knot. And just like that, we've completed our very first row. Chain 1 and turn your work around. We're going to repeat the same sequence of half double crochets and slip stitches. But this time, make sure to work into the back loops only. Into the back loops of those first 8 half double crochets, work 8 more half double crochets, one right next to the other. Now into the back loops of those 6 slip stitches. Repeat with 6 slip stitches, side by side. And next, into the back loops of those 16 half double crochets. Work 16 half double crochets once again. Into the back loops of the 6 slip stitches. Crochet 6 slip stitches, just like before. And keep repeating this sequence, all the way to the end of the row. To finish this row, into the back loops, work 16 half double crochets, then 6 slip stitches, and finally 8 half double crochets. And that's it. We've just completed row 2. Chain 1, turn your work, and simply repeat the same steps you followed in row 2. Into the back loops of those first 8 half double crochets. Work 8 half double crochets again. Keep the sequence going. 6 slip stitches, 16 half double crochets, 6 slip stitches, and 8 half double crochets. Repeat this same order until you've built up a total of 5 rows. I've now raised the pattern to 5 rows. When you reach the end, make 1 chain and cut your yarn. Then, tuck both the starting and ending tails into the back loops as neatly as you can. Right now, the side you're looking at is the front of the design, and the other side is the back. Our base is finished, so now it's time to shape this piece into a bow. Turn your work over, so the back side is now facing up. Now fold the piece in half, bringing the outer edges toward the center. Be sure the slip stitch rows come right on top of each other, neatly lined up on the front. Take your time here. Shape it gently with your hands. Adjust the edges until your bow looks nice and even. Now take your yarn and wrap it tightly around the center of the bow. Keep wrapping the yarn, round and round, until the center feels firm and the bow keeps its shape. And while you're watching, Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I've wrapped mine about 10 times. Now tie a knot at the back and trim off the yarn ends. And just like that, we've completed our beautiful crochet bow step by step. And there we go. Our crochet bow is finished and ready to use. You can wear it, gift it, or even make a few for a craft fair. On the back of your bows, you can glue on a hair tie or a clip. That way you can turn them into cute hair accessories. Or even use them as fun little bag charms. And that's everything I wanted to share with you in this tutorial. I truly hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and maybe even a little inspiring. Before we say goodbye, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next crochet tutorial. Take care. Goodbye, everyone, and happy crocheting!